Hello lovely people, welcome to my channel. Thank you for clicking my video. In this tutorial we shall be looking at how to face this media is no longer available in Messenger. Yes, this time around we shall be looking at how you can easily face this problem. So I will need you to pay attention and follow me step by step. The method I'll be teaching you guys today is very simple. So you need not to root to device, so this works in every country. So it doesn't matter your location. Now, before we start, if today happens to be your first time on this channel, just subscribe and also turn on the notification icon and be part of this wonderful family so that anytime I upload a new video, you might be the first person to watch it. Now, without wasting much time, let's get started. Now, in the first place, all you want to do is to just open your settings over here. This works on both iOS and Android, so it doesn't matter the one that you're using. Now, once you open your settings over here, go to your apps or application settings depending on the phone that you're using. So just click on apps and notifications, and once you click on that, click on the apps over here or application settings. Now scroll down to where you can see your Messenger over here. So just look for your Messenger. Now open your Messenger over here, and once you are done with that, just uninstall your Messenger over here. So the first solution is to uninstall your Messenger, and once you are done with it, once you have uninstalled your Messenger over here, just go ahead and then uninstall your Messenger and wait for it to uninstalling Messenger. So just wait for a while, and after doing that, just go back to your Play Store. So just go back to your Play Store. So open your Play Store over here and then search for your Messenger. So search for Messenger. So just search for Messenger. Now once you search for Messenger, just download your Messenger again or reinstall your Messenger again over here. So just click on install. Don't forget, you won't lose your old messages. So by uninstalling and then reinstalling your Messenger, the problem will be fixed. So with this, you can easily face this problem. I hope this video is very helpful. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and also turn on the notification button so that anytime I upload a new